I'm extremely lucky to be able to be a real estate agent that sells immaculate properties every day, just like this property at 6 James Street here at East Ipswich. We have fresh external and internal paintwork, LED lights, a fully renovated bathroom and combined laundry, 2 massive bedrooms. This home probably should have been a 3-bedroom, it's that big inside. Great big block and a huge shed. But anyway, come and check out this beautiful property that is so close to all amenities. The Ipswich property market is the hottest I've seen it in many years, and buyers are screaming out for blocks big like this. They want sheds, they want side yard access, everything we've got here. And of course, location is perfect. To book an inspection, give me a call or email me. And of course, if you're one of those savvy investors or people moving from interstate, give me a call and I can do a virtual inspection.